National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Lycoming County in north-central Pennsylvania, Sullivan County in north-central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ralston, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
Central
shelter.
Lycoming County
Mobile
in
homes will be
north-central
damaged or
Pennsylvania.
destroyed.
South Central
Damaged
Tioga
roofs,
County in
windows,
north-central
and
Pennsylvania
vehicles will occur.
until 6:15
Tree damage
p.m.
is likely.
Eastern Daylight Time.
This dangerous
At
storm will be near
5:33 p.m.
Barbers
Eastern
around
Daylight
5:50
Time,
p.m.
a severe thunderstorm
Kettle Creek
capable of
Gorge and
producing a
Lincoln Falls
tornado
around
was
6
located
p.m.
near Buttonwood,
Muncie
moving east
Valley
at
around
25
6:20
miles
p.m.
per hour. Hazard
Bakertown around
tornado.
6:30 p.m.
Source: radar-indicated
Other
rotation.
locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include LaPorte, Eagles Mere, Forksville, Hillsgrove, and Picture Rocks. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Eastern Daylight Time.
Avoid windows.
Other locations
If you are
impacted by
outdoors,
this
in a
tornadic
mobile
thunderstorm
home,
include
or in the vehicle,
Sassomo ski
move to the
area.
closest substantial
Take cover
shelter
now.
and protect yourself
Move
from
to a
flying
basement
debris.
or an interior room on
Heavy
the lowest
rainfall
floor of a
behind this
sturdy
tornado.
building.
Do
Avoid
not wait to
windows.
see or hear the
If you are
tornado.
outdoors, in a
Take
mobile
cover
home,
now.
or in a vehicle.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lycoming and Sullivan.
This storm's right on your doorstep. You need to be in your safe spot right now. So turn up the volume on the TV, get to that basement or that lowest level, most interior room. Hillsgrove just after the top of the hour, Ogdonia at 6:05, and Eagles Mere at 6:19. So these storms are moving generally to the south and east. I want to time out the westernmost tornado warning. This one for Marsh Hill at 6:02. That storm is going to be moving through your area, and then Cascade. So we've got some time before this begins to move into some populated areas, but I want you to keep in mind, we got 15 right there. So as you make your way from Williamsport northward on 15, you could be encountering that storm if you're doing that in the next few minutes. So there's our warnings in the central part of the state. Now we get you into the western part of the state where we've got warnings galore. Here in the Lawrence area, Clearfield County under a tornado warning. This includes, in addition to Lawrence, the town of Sandy.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Right near Sandy, and this one has a good-looking hook on that one. Take a look. You can see almost a textbook hook on this storm. Likely some hail here right along Route 80, so heavy rain and hail like...
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Lycoming County in north-central Pennsylvania.